All right, so I'm working on this custom rolling tray and I am trying out Promise Epoxy's epoxy cleaner and polish. I could have done a resin finish on here, but the reality is I've not really polished a lot of pieces and I want to get this down. Also, it's a rolling tray and I'm pretty sure it's going to be used for medicinal purposes. And the friction that is caused by the resin, I noticed that when I do an epoxy finish, it has just a little bit of static on it. Like it holds that for some reason. I'm not sure why. So I am using their polish and their cleaner. When they come, they have these white caps on them, and then the lids, all you got to do is put the right cap on the right one. So the cleaner gets the spray lid and the other one gets like the squeeze lid. So I have polishing pads on their way, but I didn't want to wait. I wanted to get this order out. So I just went to Menards and I grabbed a 6-inch polishing pad that's going to hold me over until then. I just got this DeWalt polisher in. I do have one by Chemical Brothers, but I don't know, this guy right here is a beast and I wanted a new toy. I love this polisher. I did mess up though, and what I messed up on is the tape. I don't suggest using the tape. I saw a couple people using tape saying it was hard to get the polish out of the grain of the wood, and it's not with the epoxy cleaner. If you use their cleaner, it actually comes right out of the wood. So I actually got some of the adhesive from the tape onto the resin part, and I had to go back and polish again, which then it came out, the way it was supposed to. But I think I did a fairly good job. I can do a full video on like the whole process that I took to get here. I sanded up to 5,000 grit, I believe. And I just used their polishing compound, and then you clean that off with the cleaner. I love doing the sides. The sides are so satisfying. And they actually turned out like the most shiniest and prettiest of all. So here you can see I went back and I did it, and right there, that's where that adhesive is. You see that? Right where that knot right there? Yeah, right there. All right, so I go back and I repolish that area, and it came out the way it was supposed to. So I really like the way this went. I had to use alcohol to get that adhesive off, and it was just the painter's tape, and it was actually one of the light tack painter's tape. So I would hate to see what would happen if I use like a masking tape or something like that. So this is me just fixing my boo-boo. I will not be using tape anymore to mask off any wood areas. I'm just not going to do that. All in all, I really like the polish. I love the DeWalt polisher, and the cleaner, it smells so good. And it works really good on getting the polish out of the wood grain. Look at that. Woo, woo. All right. Well, I know that Victoria is going to love this for her boyfriend, and I will do a full tutorial on how to polish.